Hey friends, today in this video we will evaluate Windows Server 2025 Preview Edition on VMware Workstation. So for downloading this Windows Server 2025 Preview Edition, you need to go on the Microsoft download page, and here you can select the ISO file as per the language which is based on your location. Currently I am going to download this English language and United States and ISO download 64-bit. But if you want to use it for your virtualization technology, so you can select the VHD file, or even you can try it on your Azure cloud as well. So because this ISO is already downloaded on my machine, so I will directly go on the VMware workstation where we will see how to install and what all are the options are coming while installing Windows Server 2025. Because my hardware is already configured over here, so I will just power it on, and I already selected my ISO 2025, so I will click on the enter. Now this the first preview option is showing that it look like Windows 11. If you can see this icon of Microsoft, so this has just completely Windows 11. Now you need to select the language, if time and currency, because I already downloaded this ISO in English United States, so I'm going to select next, and keyboard is US. Because I just want to install Windows Server, so what I will do, I will select this option. So I agree everything will be deleted, including file, apps and settings. Next, we are getting a few things ready. So here you have four options. One is Windows Server 2025 Standard Eval, and second is Windows Server 2025 Standard Eval Desktop Experience. So this will be a desktop experience. GUI options will be available. So I'm going to select Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation. Next, I will click on the next. Now you need to accept the licenses and other agreement of the Microsoft. Because I have this 60 GB space which is allocated while configuring the VMware workstation hardware configuration, so you can click over here and you have multiple options, including delete partitions. If you have other partitions is already configured, create partitions if you want to divide the partitions, so click on the create partitions over here. So these all are the few options which looks like something different as compared to other operating system. Click on the next, and it's just asking to click on install, ready to install. So I'm going to click on this, and let's see how much time this will take. So this is something like fast as compared to other operating system. We need to wait for a while. Now this has been just installed and it will ask a restart, so let's wait. So now this has been restarted, so this is just going to prepare everything for your machine. Now it's just installing 0%. Please keep your computer on, so you don't restart this machine while installing Windows Server 2025 or even other operating system as well. Now this has been just installed and it's asking for a password, complex password. You need to put it over here, so I'm giving this a password. Now clicking on the finish. So this has been just installed successfully, and post entering the password you need to just see this is available now. If I'm going to click on this Control Alt Delete, I'm putting my password which I just assigned over here while installing this operating system. It's just preparing a user profile and other settings for administrator account. Now I'm going to click on this accept option. So the diagnostics data will be sent to the Microsoft. Now Windows Server 2025 Preview Edition has been installed successfully, and this is completely look like Windows 11 UI. Similarly, like this is Windows UI start option. So here you can search your applications, whatever that you want, and even if you want to go on the server rules inside the server manager, so you can click over here and you can install or configure all server related rules and features by clicking on this option. And so these all are the options that you can see. Now if you go on this start UI option, so here Azure Arc setup is there, Windows PowerShell and other options are available. So it's completely, if you go on the settings option, so it look like Windows 11 UI is provided for Windows Server 2025. So now these all are the options including Windows Update. In the next video, what we will see, we will configure other roles including Active Directory, DNS, DHCP on Windows Server 2025. Thank you for watching this video.